Mummy made idli dosa. Mummy and Papa were out and were going to return in the evening. After returning from school, Gattu Chinky went to their neighbor's home for lunch.
Chinky, I'm famished. I have no idea what auntie has prepared for lunch. Yes, Gattu. Mummy prepares tasty meals every day. This will be the first time we are eating at someone else's home.
Gattu Chinky reached the neighboring auntie's home while chatting and rang the bell.
Please come in, Gattu Chinky. I was waiting for you both only. Today I have prepared idli and dosa for you. Wow, auntie. I love idli very much. And I love dosa.
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
So let's enjoy. Go, wash your hands and I will serve the food.
Gattu Chinky was satisfied after eating idli and dosa.
Auntie, even mummy hasn't made such tasty idlis. And auntie, even the dosa is delicious. Really, kids? I am really happy that you like the food I have prepared. Here, please have some more.
Gattu Chinky ate idli and dosa till their stomachs were full. Then they returned home after saying thank you. In the evening, Mummy Papa returned home.
Mummy, do you know? Today auntie made idli and dosa for us. And mummy, the food she made was really delicious. Really, it was very satisfying. That's nice, kids. I'm glad to know that you like the food so much.
So kids, you guys ate a lot, didn't you?
Of course, Papa. Gattu ate 5 idlis.
Everyone laughed at Chinky's information. Next day, Gattu Chinky woke up in the morning and saw that Mummy had made idli and dosa for breakfast.
What's this, Mummy? You also made idli and dosa for us. Yes, kids. You liked idli and dosa that auntie made yesterday. So I thought I should also try today. Wow, Mummy. This is a very nice idea. Okay, guys. Hurry up and brush your teeth. And I will serve breakfast for you.
Gattu and Chinky took their seats at the dining table and ate breakfast. But they found that this idli and dosa were not as tasty as the one auntie prepared. But they didn't want to upset Mummy.
Wow, Mummy. This idli is also very tasty. Yes, Mummy. And dosa is delicious too.
But Mummy looked at Gattu Chinky's face and knew everything. She understood that Gattu Chinky didn't like the food and were not telling the truth.
Okay, fine. I think now you should get ready for school.
After that, Mummy started thinking about what was lacking in her recipe and why her food was not as good as Auntie's food. After thinking a lot, she went to Auntie's home.
Hello, dear. How are you? Please come in. I have come here for a very important thing. Okay, please tell me. I wanted to ask you for idli and dosa's recipe. Ever since Gattu and Chinky ate idli and dosa at your house, they haven't stopped praising it. In fact, I also made idli and dosa for them, but it was clear that they didn't like it that much. Oh, that happened because I used some special spices in my idli dosa. Come, let me show you how to do it.
Then Auntie taught Mummy how to make idli dosa like her. And then Mummy returned home.
Mummy, where were you? Not far, Gattu dear. I have surprise for both of you. You will get it in the morning. Wow, Mummy, I love surprises very much. I know, kids, but you will have to wait till morning.
Then everyone went to sleep. And in the morning, Mummy prepared idli and dosa according to Auntie's recipe. After a while, the whole house was filled with the aroma of idli and dosa.
Wow, Mummy, from where this delicious smell is coming? Chinky, I think this delicious smell is familiar somehow. Yes, Gattu, me too. Children, today also I have prepared idli and dosa. But this time I have followed the recipe from Auntie and prepared according to it. Come on, taste it and tell me how is it.
Gattu and Chinky were excited and ate idli and dosa.
Wow, Mummy, this is even better than the one Auntie made. He is right, Mummy. It's really very delicious. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.